What's up, wonderful people? This is Eric Gill Jr. with www.ericgilljr.com. And I just want to say welcome to Residual Knowledge TV. This is a platform that I use to give off knowledge on how to create an income online. And for today's subject, I will be talking about 8 habits of highly productive people. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and let's go ahead and dive in. All right, everybody, let's dive into this. This is the 8 habits of highly productive people. Start with number 1. Remove the unimportant focus. That could be anything that is distracting you, whether some of your friends, some of your family, whatever it is. Remove the important focus that's keeping you from being productive. Number 2 is work on the 80-20. This is where the 20% will make the biggest impact on your productivity. So if putting money into your ads, if that is making the biggest impact on your productivity, then put more money into it. That's just an example that I'm using for that. Let's move along. So number 3, take strategic breaks. That will help you to rejuvenate, to walk the longer road ahead. Whatever you take breaks when you're trying to be productive, it helps out. You might think you're losing some, to be honest, it really helps out. When you take some short and long run, you will be a little bit okay. Number 4, remove distractions. It's kind of like number 1. These are things that limit productivity. So it's TV, friends, family, whatever it could be, Facebook, Instagram. Just sit it down for a minute to be productive on what it is that you're trying to work on, okay? Number 5, set a timeline. That timeline could be from the beginning of the week to the end of the week. What needs to be done. If you're saying for this week that I am going to research a way to make money online, do that. Research it. Or I'm going to read 15 pages a day, do that. Whatever needs to be done to be productive. Number 6 is create your flow environment. Create a space that inspires you. Be somewhere that's going to get those creative juices going. You definitely want to be in a good space like that, whether it's in your office, room, closet, whatever it may be. Starbucks, wherever, library. Number 7, use time pockets. This is a way to make the best of every minute. So just to give an example, if you say for the first 30 minutes of this hour, I'm to read 30 minutes of that hour, I apply what I read, or I'm going to break down what I read so that this is how you can use time pockets, okay? And last but not least, number 8, automate. Use tech wherever you can. This is a highly productive way to what it is that you're trying to do to become productive or be more productive or whatever. Automate. I just give you an example. I automate my emails. Whenever subscribes to me will be sent out to individuals subscribe under me, and throughout the week, month, year, continue to get emails. That's the way that I automate. So this is 8 habits of highly productive people. I hope this brought some value to you. If you are looking for something in the realm of making money online, please click below. I do have some links for you to join for free. Some of them are paid, but go ahead, look below. And again, this is Eric Gill Jr. with ericgilljr.com and Residual Knowledge TV, and I hope to see you on the inside.